Hello everybody, I'm at my friend's place. Look at the school background behind me. It's just so amazing, so girly. So guys, we are going to the mall for shopping. There are so many crazy offers going all over the mall. So it's worth going there and buying some stuff. Before starting my vlog, guys, I really want to thank you a lot for showing such a lovely response to the previous vlog. It was like a challenge which is all over the YouTube, and I thought, why shouldn't I attempt it? And I did it, guys, and it was just wonderful. If you haven't seen it, just go back and please go through that challenge. It's fun. It's just fun. So guys, let's start today. I'm ready to go. I'm wearing an abaya. I always team this abaya with some stole kind of thing. So I'm wearing a check designed pattern stole. Ooh. Ooh. Outside the showroom, and the thing is there are prayer times here, so it's the last prayer time going on, and during the prayer time all the showrooms are closed, you can see. So they'll get open in 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll just go inside and shop. Till then we are waiting outside. So guys, I am in the showroom, and the prayer time is over, and I'll just show you around a bit. In Saudi malls we don't have trial rooms for women, so it becomes very difficult to try on. So guys, now I'm going to Bath and Body Works. It's the second day. Yesterday we came late, so I couldn't show you the whole shopping. Just went around the mall and shopped a lot. As you would have already seen in the thumbnail how much I shopped. So now I'm going to show you all the stuff I bought. So guys, starting with the shopping, I first of all bought some stuff from Bath and Body Works. A lot of body lotions with different fragrances, and I just love them. Why I love them, the review of these products, which I'm going to do in the next episode, so please do watch it. I'll definitely going to notify through my Facebook page and Instagram. You know where to follow me, Shub's Vlog. So guys, these are some of the body lotions I bought. A sugar scrub, various miniature body lotions to carry in the purse. Got a perfume from Victoria's Secret. So I'm going to show this. The bottle is awesome. I couldn't resist myself without buying this. And guys, just look at this beauty. So this I bought on sale. It's worth buying when these luxurious brands are on sale. So I prefer doing that. I was waiting for some sale around, and I definitely go for all these stuff. It should be affordable while you buy. You have to keep your money balances. So guys, starting with the clothing stuff, I bought beautiful little stuff for a beautiful girl in India, a small girl. This is a small jacket. I couldn't resist. I just bought it from Mango with a beautiful legging. So guys, coming to my clothing section, I bought this jegging from F&F. And I like them a lot because it has some textured grey colored, so I liked it. It will get along with many blacks and many different colors. So you can see how it goes well with the black, and this black top from Zara, and it's just a very casual top. This whole thing gives me a very casual look. So guys, the next thing I bought is this mustard colored shrug from Zara. It's a bit woolen, or for the pleasant weather it's just perfect, and I like these mustard colors a lot. So I couldn't resist myself buying that. I hope you also like this. So guys, the next thing I bought is this, again a black top. This is from H&M, and this is very casual. I liked it a lot, and you know, I don't have to tell about the blacks, and just now I realized how much black I have actually bought. Yeah. So I liked it a lot. It is best for office going. It has a V-neck. You can team that up with a spaghetti, and if you're comfortable like this, I am comfortable like that. It goes very well. You can also tuck these tops as well inside, so it will give you a very nice loose look from above. And it's just, this is the nice jacket I bought from H&M, and I'm telling you guys, the sale is so perfect. It was difficult for me to find the sizes, but the sale was so perfect. I got all these stuff on 30 to 70% discount. So guys, the next thing I bought is the blue jegging. It is kind of an ankle length jegging. It is very comfortable. This is from Mango, and again on a very nice sale. I teamed it up with this black. You can go for whites, you can go for yellow. And going on further, I bought these jackets from Reserve. When it just looked perfect like this as well. It has 2 pockets, so it's nice, and with clothes as well, it's just perfect. So guys, this is the another jacket I bought. This is from H&M. This is a hoodie, and it is a sportswear kind. I specifically required it for the flights because I travel. So I wanted something because I feel a bit cold inside. So it's better to have such a jacket. So guys, now I'm going to show you some Skechers I bought. These are the very comfortable shoes which are required. These are grey colors which go with any of the colors. So apart from me, Naman also bought something for himself. So this is the Chinese collar black shirt. Guys, I feel every guy should have a Chinese collar shirt. It, I guess, suits everybody, and it's just perfect. The black color or the white color Chinese collar, it gives so decent and elegant look. This is from H&M again. So this is from Beverly Hills, pink colored Beverly Hills polo t-shirt, casual shirt. It just goes with any dark blue colored jeans, and it's so perfect. I just love this color. It is very nice. From Banana Republic, subsidiary of Gap, so you can relate it from there. Banana Republic. It's so nice. It's a casual t-shirt. Naman also bought this jacket from Reserve. This is the jacket, a dark bluish, blackish blue colored jacket, and I cannot just show you wearing them. This is the half jacket he bought. This stuff is just so perfect. We loved it and we cannot resist. I have some, I showed you the blue jacket and the same stuff. This is the black jacket, and showed you the little girl's jacket. This was also, this is perfect. So this is the black jacket. So guys, as you would have already seen that I have shopped a lot. You might have got tired to see me showing all my stuff. So guys, I hope you like this shopping of mine. Please do comment below and tell me how you find all the stuff. So guys, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. I love you guys. You are part of my family. Please come and get included into my family. It's just so perfect. I love you all guys. Please go and subscribe to my channel. Stay happy, stay stress free. Till then, bye.